everyone's using this Apple-style text animation. So here's a quick and easy way that you can make this for yourself using Claude and CapCut.
First, head over to Claude. Now, I would like to point out that you either need a Pro or Max subscription for this to work. So if you like what I'm doing here, then consider buying one of these subscriptions. Then click Design to activate Claude Design and set the model to Opus, as it is Claude's most comprehensive model, and select Template to Animation. Then you're going to paste this prompt. The prompt will be in the description. It is quite a long and complicated prompt, but I've highlighted the most important bits here for you. So if you want to change anything, for example the font or background color, you can do so very easily. Now you want to paste the prompt into Claude and let it do its thing. Now after Claude has generated your animation, you can change a few things. For example here, I'm going to change the Apple style text to red to make it pop more, and also I'm going to change the duration of the animation to 3.3 seconds. And there you have it. Click download and save it to your desktop or files. Now, as a bonus, if you want a cool looking background while your Apple animation plays, go onto another design project, selecting template as animation again, then paste in this prompt. This prompt will also be in the description. And click generate. Now Claude's just going to ask me a few questions, and I will just let it decide. And there you have it. Once it's created, click download, then drag it into CapCut alongside your Apple text animation. And on the Apple text animation, go into blend and select screen. And there you have it, your very own Apple style animation text.
Thank you so much for watching. My name's Mike and I work alongside Junius to help viewers with content creation and video editing. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.